Welcome to question 129 for CAHSEE Math. It says this: in the figure shown above, all the corners form right angles. What is the area of the figure in square units? So since they're all right angles, we can assume that we can make a bunch of rectangles up here. If we wanted to think of it that way, that's probably going to be the best way to do this. So two different ways we could tackle this problem that I see right now. We could find the area of this whole big rectangle and then subtract the area of this smaller one. I think that's the easier way to go about this one. We could also divide this or split this up into a rectangle like this, here, here, and here. Or you could even do a long skinny one right here and then two smaller ones right here and here. But I'm going to go with what I feel like is the easiest way and just find the area of the shape here itself. So the area of the figure, another way to put that, the area of the figure is going to be the area, the way I've done this up here, the area of the big rectangle minus the area of the smaller rectangle. So this, what we're finding is this part right here. Okay, so with that, why don't I actually shade that in? I'll have you shade that in for me too. We're finding the area of that part right here. We're going to be taking, this would be the big rectangle, subtracting this smaller part from it here. If this is 7, actually I'm thinking of this the wrong way here. This is 7, that's 4. That would be 3 from here to here, but we don't need to know that information the way we're doing this problem. We just need to know what this would be right here. How long would it be from here to here? Well, if this is 5 and this is 2, together that's 7. And so you'd have 6 plus these two would give you the 13, the whole thing here. So this right here, 6, where does that come from? Right there, that's just 13 minus the 5 plus the 2. So write that in for me right there. That's why that would be 6. So the area of the big rectangle, you have a 13 by 7 rectangle for the whole big shape on the outside. 13 by 7, but we're getting rid of, we are subtracting the area of this smaller one, and then we'll be left over with the shaded part here. And so this minus the smaller one would be base times height would be 6 times 4. So we'd have 91 equals, or 91, this equals 91 minus 24, which would equal 91 minus 24. That is going to be 67. And so this is 67 square units or units squared. This one is going to be choice A.